The word sun refers to the huge, bright star at the center of our solar system. It gives light, warmth, and energy to every living thing on Earth. Without the sun, there would be no life, no plants, no animals, and no humans. It rises in the morning, sets in the evening, and makes our days bright. On the other hand, son is a noun that means a male child, a boy in relation to his parents. For example, a mother might say, "This is my son," or a father might proudly talk about his son's achievements. Even though son and son sound exactly the same when spoken, their meanings are completely different. The sun is in the sky, while your son is part of your family. These are called homophones, words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. To remember them easily, think of this simple phrase: you can see the sun in the sky, and you can love your son at home. One gives you light, the other gives you love, both are important in life.